Hey, what's up guys, it's Angel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, as you guys can obviously tell from the title up above, I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my back to school emergency kit. If y'all been watching the back to school series, this is the third video in the series. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my school emergency kit. This is just going to be the bag that I'm going to use for demonstration. The actual emergency kit bag that I'm going to be using is not here yet. I ordered it, did not come in time, but I can't keep putting off this video, so just pretend this is a black emergency kit bag, okay? Nothing wrong with the little Dior though, nothing wrong with little Dior, but it's just not the bag I wanted to use. Okay, let's just get right into it. The first thing that I have in my back to school kit is a Tide stick. I'm obviously gonna open this. This, you guys, is so good. If you're someone like me who's like always spilling on themselves, you need this. Like, you need this. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how this works. If you get a stain on you, press it onto like the stain and it just comes off like that. Whoever created this, you know what you're doing. You know what you ate. Definitely a need. Next thing that you need is lip care, okay? Nothing worse than just having dry lips, especially in school. Like, that school air, our lips, or at least my lips, I feel like are always more chapped when I'm at school. Personally, I like Vaseline, so I have a little thing of this Vaseline. If it wants to focus, it's just like the rosy lip. And then I also have an Aquaphor. Personally, I like Vaseline, but I also really like Aquaphor. Also, the next thing that you need in your emergency kit is some lotion, but I don't have a mini lotion. I still need to get one. For now, Aquaphor, just pretend this is lotion, okay? Get you a lotion because you don't want to be ashy in school. The next thing that you're gonna need is a hand sanitizer. This is a vanilla scent from Bath & Body. They were having a sale where like all their hand sanitizers were like $1, so of course I hopped on that and I got me a few hand sanitizers. I heard Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers aren't the most, like, it doesn't kill that much bacteria compared to like Equate or whatever other brand does like hand sanitizer. I don't even know. I think it's pretty and it smells good, so, but definitely just any hand sanitizer of your liking. This hand sanitizer is better than none. Bath & Body Works definitely has some good hand sanitizer. Touchland, I really like theirs. It's like the spray one, and then you can really get hand sanitizer from anywhere, guys. You can get them from like Dollar Tree or whatever. Like, it's everywhere. Next thing that you need is some perfume, or just some sort of like, yeah, perfume basically. I was about to say some sort of smell good, but like, that's perfume. I just have this roll-on. This is the Yara set. I really like this. I actually got it from TikTok shop. It smells so good. The next thing that you're gonna need is some deodorant. Don't be musty. Do not be musty. I like the spray deodorant. Obviously you can't share like the roll-on ones. I feel like the roll-on ones are gross to like share, but if it's just you, get a roll-on one if you like that better. But I just like this because it's very quick to just put on, and if my friend needs it, they can borrow it. Also, there's nothing worse than like leaving the house and remembering that you forgot to put on deodorant. The next thing that you're gonna need, edge glue and an edge brush. Edges like to lift, especially in that school air, okay? There's something about that school air, like, I feel like it's very real. If you were to ask me about school air, I would say, yeah, like, that sucks. I don't like it. If you were to ask me on a deeper level, like, school air is honestly the most annoying thing ever. Like, how come I come to school looking like chocolate, beautiful milk chocolate, and then I enter school, I look so cakey, school airy, and my hair is all frizzy. Yo, I have so much energy. Like, I have so much energy. If you do edges, this is just like a got to be and a new edge brush. Maybe add an extra edge brush for like a friend. Okay, if you wear lashes, the next thing that you're gonna need is some lash glue. This is just some like lash cluster glue. I might start wearing like lash cluster more. We'll see. It just depends. Do I want to commit to that? I don't know. And then to go along with that, we also got some nail glue. Nail breaking is like the worst pain ever. Speaking of nail breaking, also add some band-aids, especially if you're like bleeding or something, or maybe the pain is in your head instead. You can get some Advil or Tylenol. Is it Tylenol or Ty? I don't know. My friends make fun of me for the way I say it, but whatever it's called. This is really important for any of my girls who have like period cramps. And then also make sure you have some pads and tampons. I don't have tampons on me right now. The next thing is a hairbrush. This is kind of like a little travel size hairbrush. I really like it. It's from Recfa. I'll probably link as many things as I can down below. I think this is in my Linktree. I got it from Amazon. It's so good, you guys. It's shaped like a heart. You can also bring a little comb too, period. Next thing I have is some hair ties. Nothing more annoying than your hair just being in the way and then not having any hair ties to tie it up. Or like if your friend wants a hair tie, I feel like people ask me for hair ties like every single day. Next thing I have is some Q-tips. I know they've been very controversial. I've been using these since I was like a kid, and I probably will never stop using them. They clean up so much. They clean up more than just your ears. You know, if you get mascara on your eyelids or like mascara, that's what I just said. There's so much purpose with this thing. Next thing I have is some gum. If you bring this, don't tell anybody. Let me tell you why, okay? Susie's gonna come to you and she's gonna be like, hey, Angel, like, how are you? By any chance, do you have any gum? And you're gonna be like, oh yeah, of course, because you're a nice person, you know? So you're gonna give her a gum. But while you're giving Susie a gum, Matthew's watching you. And then Matthew's gonna be like, do you have gum? And you're gonna be like, yeah, you want a piece? And he's gonna be like, yeah, bro. You're gonna give Matthew a piece of gum. And then Kiki's gonna see you hand Matthew a piece of gum, and she's gonna want a piece of gum. And then suddenly the whole class knows you have gum because Kiki's loud as F, okay? And she screams it, and now everyone's like, you have gum, you have gum, you have gum. So now you have none. This comes in how many? 15 sticks? Yeah, there's probably around 15 people in your class. it's gone. And yeah, gum is cheap and you can just like get it whenever, but like still, like, next thing I got is a pack of tissues, especially during allergy season and winter season. Just having like your own tissues on hand, I really like that. The next thing I have is just this like hair bandana wrap thing. You can include this or like a headband or like a hair scarf, whatever. This is just gonna come in handy whenever you have a bad hair day, kind of like what I'm doing right now. Liquid IV. This is really good to just put in your water bottle. It gives you more energy. It's just good for you. Next thing you're gonna want to bring AirPods, headphones, just any sort of like ear device. Nothing worse than having just like study hall and not having anything to like listen to music with. And then also a portable charger. The actual portable charger is in my car right now, so I'm just showing the box. Okay guys, so that's everything that I will be putting in my back to school emergency kit this year. I hope this gave you some like inspiration of some things that you can add to your back to school emergency kit. If there's anything else that you guys think I forgot or anything else that you personally want to add, definitely make sure to comment it down below to help other people out. I hope you guys are liking like the whole back to school series. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, because when you do, you get notified every time I post a video, so you guys can be one of the first to watch my video whenever it comes out. Yeah, I think that's it. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.